Solar flares are active. Severe ionospheric interference. Don't be afraid. I have a solution for your problem. Favorite like, good luck. Today we'll start with the setup of the instrument, using CHCNAV series to demonstrate. First, we set up the tripods. Try to level it out. The interval is controlled within 1 meter. Easy antenna connection. Once set up, place one spacer on each tripod. Next, assemble the extension rod and the machine head. Install the extension rod on one of the tripods. Next, we assemble the antenna. First, connect the antenna to the antenna base. Install the antenna on the extension rod. Finally, deploy the extension rod. Pay attention here. The bayonet must be pulled in place. After the antenna is assembled, mount it on the second tripod. Remove the external radio. Hang on any tripod. Next, install the antenna helix to the radio helix interface and tighten it. Take out the power cable. Connecting station interface. Pay attention here to align with the red mark. Pull down the metal lock when you want to pull it out. Just pull it out gently. And finally, we took out the batteries. Place it directly under any tripod. Use the red clip on the power cord to connect the positive electrode of the battery. Black connection negative. Now our base station is complete. Follow me, watch how the base station is set up.